Welcome back. Bhakti, Kulkarni and Ivana Furtado will lead Goa's challenge on home turf at the 41st National Women's Challenger Chess Championship. The tournament to be held next month in MAPUSA will witness participation from 28 states of the country. Odisha's Padmini Raut will be the top seed. Meanwhile, the highest rated Goan player Anurag Mamal will be presented the Best Player Award for 2013-14 during the opening ceremony on 6 September.
National Women Championship Chess ही गोंयान आमी आमकां ऑल इंडिया चेस फेडरेशन आनी स्पोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ गोवा आनी गोंय चेस एसोसिएशन यांच्या जोडपालवान ही म्हापशां पेडे ग्राउंडार जावपाची आसा. कॉम्प्लेक्स आहा थंय आनी ही सर्त सादारण 6 सप्टेंबराक हेजें उक्तावण जातलें आनी ही सर्त सादारण 15 तारीख पर्यंत गोंयांत चलतली. तेकाच जोडून आमी ऑल गोवा ओपन रॅपीड टोर्नामेंट दवरलेलो आसा आनी तितून सादारण 300 गोंयचे खेळगडी भाग घेतले.
We have got already 50 entries. Our president has told you. Our main players Bhakti and Ivana. Bhakti was the last year's silver medalist, and Ivana both they qualified for Premier, and Ivana came 6th and Bhakti came 7th in the Premier tournament. Padmini Raut, whose rating is 2354, coming from Orissa. He is a WGM, woman grandmaster. Then Vijay Lakshmi Subramaniam, WGM 2339 rating. And Bhakti is now at the moment seated 6th state. Players are coming from around 28 states. Now Goa has already conducted our own state selection. As a host, we are getting 6 entries. Usually we get 4 entries. As a host, we get 6 entries, and we get one more reserve if there is a odd entries. So we get 7 players. Prize money for this tournament is 1,25,000.
Traditional Bondera celebration was held at Diwar. People flocked to Diwar and danced to the beats of music and enjoyed the display of floats. Have a look. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.